first portfolio website of Tiffany Lam. She's a software developer based in Vancouver. The thing about this website right now, though, is I can't scroll or see what else is here. Now, if I turn my head here, I can see that there is about and there is work. So I think my first tip to Tiffany here is let me scroll, let me see who you are and explore your website without having to think about what I want to click next. Connie B Design, monetize or magnetize your audience with visuals that sells. Now here on this website, Let's Chat Design Services, there's a lot of color going on, right? So I would limit the use of color and make sure that I use color with significant, with some kind of a meaning to it. Again, you can still use lots of colors, but just make sure that there's a system and there's a reason for how you use your colors.